Sometimes we may encounter questions that ask you to find a percentage change between two numbers or two values. For example, a car initially cost £2,000, however after a year it is now worth £1,600. What is the percentage decrease in price? There is a formula that we can use to work out the percentage change here. First we find out the difference between the two amounts. We can do this by subtracting 1,600 away from 2,000. If we do so, we have a difference of £400. Now we can divide this £400 by the original amount of 2,000. This will give us 0.2. And to convert this into our percentage, we multiply by 100 to give us 20%. Now we can say that the price of the car has decreased by 20%. Let's have a look at a different problem. A pet dog weighed 15 kilograms. After a few months, it then weighed 21 kilograms. What is the percentage change in its weight? Again, we will do exactly the same process and find the difference between the two. With 21 take away 15 leaves us with 6 kilograms as a difference. Now 6 kilograms divided by the starting weight of 15 kilograms leaves us with 0.4. And again, to convert this into a percentage, we multiply it by 100 to get 40%. We can now say that the dog's weight has increased by 40%. To show how to work out percentage change, these problems have come out as nice even rounded numbers. However, this process will work for any type of problem like this. All we have to do is find the difference between two amounts and divide that difference by the original starting amount, and then multiply by 100 to get our percentage change. I hope this helps and you know a little bit more about finding a percentage change.
Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.